Now let's see how to transform a dataset in another format into the SAS dataset. The first and most important thing is you need to assign a library in order to save your data. And as you can see, I assign lib1 under the temp file, folder. And then I go to import data. Here, you are going to find where your original data is, and my data is here. So we can see this is the original one, the original data in txt file, and I click open. And then here, this part, we need to change the location where we want to save our data. And I want to save our data in the library I just assigned, lib1, with this name online book data, and click save. And now you can see the library is lib1 and the dataset is here. And then click next. Here you don't need to change anything if you don't want to. And here we can see you can modify our dataset. If you want to change the name, you just double click it and then you can change it. For example, I will change this to log S. After you finish everything, you just click next and finish. And then SAS is transform the data. Okay, we can see our data set is now here. And we can see, okay, we refresh it, and we can see, okay, we have our online book data under the temp folder. And it's saved there, so you can do analysis on it.